Alright, this is a Emglo air compressor, one of the older ones. Jenny is the one that makes them now. This is originally set up as a constant run air compressor where the motor would run continuously and the pilot valve here would discharge the head pressure when the tanks got up to pressure. So I did a conversion on it. This is a start-stop and constant run conversion. For constant run, you would put the valve in open, and that puts air into the pilot valve, and then acts in a constant run. If you want to go to start-stop, you close the valve, and you allow the pressure switch to discharge the head pressure via this port here coming off the backflow valve. So we will go through the motions here and see what it does. We're gonna go constant run to begin with. Air compressors at 70 pounds. I'm going to turn the switch on. It will immediately start, and you will hear and see the compressor kick out and the motor continuously run. Okay, as you can see, the air compressor, the pilot valve pressurized the head on the air compressor, and it is now in an idle mode. Okay, I'm going to turn the motor off. You can hear it discharge. I'm going to go to to start-stop, which I'm going to close the valve. That takes the pressure off of here and puts all the control electrically through this pressure switch, and then it's also got an unloader valve on the bottom of the switch. You can see it right there. That goes over to that and unloads the pressure off of the head, so the motor can restart without a load. So we are closed valve. That means we're only going to be functioning through the pressure switch. I'm going to turn it on. It should not kick on because we're at pressure. I'm going to bleed off pressure until the switch kicks on. And that's functioning perfectly. So the only thing I got to check for is leaks, and we're good to go. If you have any questions, there are plenty of other YouTube videos on how to do this, but if you want to ask me, I can run through the basics of it. Thanks. Have a good one.